can't tell if the light's the wrong way.
So, there he goes. So the reason they do that is, are they getting bugs?
They drill, but they usually call.
That's really cute.
Usually more of a call.
They do what?
Calling.
They're calling
Yeah.
for
I
somebody?
wonder if he gets a headache
Yeah, for a
from
girl.
smashing his beak into the friggin' thing.
Probably not.
No, they don't like. This is what they are designed for.
If you were a female woodpecker, you'd be getting
Probably not. Okay, sounds good.
I've never seen a woodpecker at work.
Well, he's calling, yeah.
He's calling.
Otherwise, they look like they're axing to go chip chip. They just hit it like more like you were hitting with an axe. And they look at the butt, chipping something up. He's just keeping his
I don't
charge.
see him in my phone. Oh yeah, there he is.
Oh. I don't think he has
Are
that.
they usually quite solitary then? They don't hang out?
Usually, only in winter they do, yeah.
In the winter they hang out.
So
Often
cute.
in the winter you'll see them with chickadees and that
They
hatches.
have binoculars, isn't it? Yeah.
It's gotta hurt.
He's saying, I'm lost. Come get me, I'm lost.
That's cool. I like it.
Little girls woodpeckers like, ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's that? You hear that?